In this video, we are going to be finding the inverse of a logarithmic function. First, you are going to switch x and y, and second, you are going to isolate and solve for y, and you must switch between log and exponential form. Our first example says y equals 4 to the power of x. First, let's switch x and y, so x equals 4 to the y. Now you are going to use your log properties to get log base 4 of x equals to y, and that is our inverse function. Our second example says y equals log base 7 of x. Let's first switch between x and y, so x equals log base 7 of y. Now we can apply our log properties to get 7 to the x equals to y, and that is our inverse function. Our third example is a little bit more tricky because we have ln, but that is the same thing as y equals log base e of x minus 5. And now let's switch between x and y. So x equals log base e of y minus 5. Now we can apply our log properties, so e to the x equals y minus 5. Now we can isolate the variable and solve for y. E to the x plus 5 equals to y, and that is our inverse function. Our last example says g of x is equal to log base 4 of x plus 2 minus 1. Let's first switch x and y, so we get x equals log base 4 of y plus 2 minus 1. Let's isolate this by adding 1 on this side. So we get x plus 1 equals log base 4 of y plus 2. Now we can apply our log property, so we get 4 to the x plus 1 equals y plus 2. Now we can isolate the variable even more, so we get 4 to the x plus 1 minus 2 equals y. And that is our inverse function.